You want to begin this bracelet with a layout like this. You'll have your working colours on the left and right, and the threads in the centre can be any colour because they're only going to be worked over, so they shouldn't show up once your bracelet is finished. So if you've got some leftover threads that need using up but aren't really long enough to knot with, this pattern is ideal for using leftover scraps of thread. This bracelet is worked in two sections. For the first section, I'm going to start by taking the left hand thread and doing forward knots over the rest of the threads except for this one. So I'm going to take this one and put it out of the way so I don't accidentally knot over it. And then I want to take this thread and do forward knots over the ones that are left. So once you've got to the end, ignoring your other working thread, you want to do the reverse back to your original position. So taking the colour that you've just used, do backward knots over all the threads. And then for your second section, you want to do the same thing that you did in section 1, but in the opposite side. So you want to take your working thread from the right hand side and you want to do backward knots over all the thread except for this working thread, which I'll again put out of the way. Then when you get to the end, you want to work back for the second row, this time doing forward knots. And you want to keep repeating these two sections until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be.